The Good Prince Bantugan. The kingdom of Bumbaran were ruled by the old king, but the old king was full of envy towards his younger brother, Prince Bantugan. Prince Bantugan was so handsome, good and brave. Every time someone praised him, the old king looked angry with him. One day, enemies attacked the kingdom of Bumbaran, and Prince Bantugan led his men to defend the kingdom. The evil king plotted against the good prince. Soon, Prince Bantugan returned victorious from the battle. He knew that his brother hated him, so he decided to leave the kingdom of Bumbaran. In his journey, he heard about the beautiful land of the kingdom between two seas. It was ruled by a good king and a beautiful princess, the Timbang, his sister. He decided to go to the kingdom, but when he stood outside the gate, he suddenly felt very weak. Prince Bantugan fell off the ground and died. The king and the princess of the kingdom were shocked when they saw the stranger lying. Princess the Timbang fell in love to the stranger. No one knew who is the stranger. The king made proclamation that all of his people must come to look the prince so that he would know who was the man came from, but no one knew who's that man. The two parrots talking each other about Prince Bantugan. The parrot of Prince Bantugan said, "I lost my master. He left Bumbaran, never to return." Another parrot said, "He is dead, but you can see his body in the palace where he is lying in royal state." The parrot flew to the palace. He saw his master's body and said, "He was good to his people. He defended them in war. He cured the people when they were sick." When the king heard what the parrot said, he brought the body of Prince Bantugan into the kingdom of Bumbaran. Everyone queried for the good Prince Bantugan. His brother was full of repentance, blaming himself for the death of his brother. Prince Madali, his brother, loved him so much. He got the soul of Prince Bantugan from the angel of death. When he reached the palace of Bumbaran, then he transferred the soul of Prince Bantugan to his body. The body stirred Prince Bantugan alive as if just awakened from a deep sleep. They celebrated the return of their prince. Later, Prince Bantugan married Prince the Timbang.